Alright, what's going on today, peoples? I made me a little homemade forge / foundry. This is it. Not the whole thing. Just this little thing right here. That's it. This is my homemade forge / foundry. I melt my metal with this. Anyways, quick rundown of how I did it. This ain't nothing but just a old paint bucket, well, paint can, whatever that I used. Make sure it's still. And this is a pipe that I have found. It's actually like a flex pipe for a car, like an exhaust pipe, but like the repair one. Like this is what you buy to repair your broken exhaust. But anyways, I found out this works perfect. I basically just cut a hole in the paint can, the size of the pipe, stuck it in there. That's the inside of it. Then I went to Home Depot and got me some of this high heat furnace cement. It was like 11-12 bucks. Then I lined the whole inside of this up and I let it sit for like 2 hours. After I let it sit for like 2 hours, I threw some charcoal in it and heated it up because it cures better under heat. It gets hard like a rock. Like this, look at this, hard. All right, but I already done got like 2 or 3 burns out of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and light her up again right now. I got some tire weights, some weights off of tires, lead weights that I'm going to make cupcake molds out of. I already done made a few other molds and stuff the other day, but I'm gonna make some cupcake molds today, I guess. And I'm gonna fire up for you guys and show you how I use it. Alright, things first, get some charcoal. Charcoal up in there. Foot. Some more charcoal. Fill her up with charcoal. That's it. Fill her up. More lighter fluid. And I'll probably throw a couple more charcoal. Alright, that's probably enough. Yeah, we light her up. Alright, I'll let that burn off for a little while. You usually do charcoal, let it burn till charcoal starts turning white, and then I'll show you the next step after that. Alright, ready for the next step. I also forgot to tell you guys that you're gonna need one of these, some type of air source. I use a blow dryer. That's what you're gonna put in the hole, to give it some air. So before I do that, I'm going a little crucible ready. This is what I use. It's a steel cup. I've been using this to melt my weights for the longest. It's real steel. I found it laying around, but you can find it. You can use anything steel, and just put it there in the middle. Make a good spot for it. That seems about right. Good little spot for it. You need to move some charcoal around, Find a nice little spot. That works. Alright, and then you take your blow dryer, turn it on. I'll use start in the low setting and put it in there. And now you got your forge. That thing kicks out heat like at temperatures you won't even believe. You can melt copper, aluminum, lead, zinc, mostly everything except for steel, but it will get the steel hot enough to where you can forge it and like make like a knife or something out of it. But hold on a second, I'm gonna flip the camera around for a second. Hold on. Almost ready for a pour. A couple more weights I'm gonna throw in there. And crank the fire back up. That's it. I'll go ahead and show you the molds when I get finished. I only got one hand, so I can't pour the molds in and pour at the same time. And I don't want to put my phone down and keep recording for too long. But you guys basically get the idea. It's easy as this to melt metal. Alright? Common sense. Alright, you're just about done. Let it cook up for about like 1 more minute. So drop the heat, clean up the top, and I'm gonna dump it into there. Show you in a second. Alright, so that's what it looks like after I poured it in there. It's not even hard yet. I just literally poured it in there. It's still liquid. I don't want to move it so it can keep its form. But anyways, yep, that's basically what it looks like after it's done. So I went from these to those using this, and I'm about to finish up, pour a few more, put them with the rest of the collection. All right, I'll let you.